Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and a lot of you club members may have already received your notification that your kit has shipped. So I wanted to give a little sneak peek of what is in your kits this month. So first off, you know you've got your waterproof mesh zipper pouch that comes in every kit. So you've got that, and there'll be different colors, as you know. Then you have a jewel picker. So this is the pickup tool that I use all the time. It's double-ended. So you've got that in your kit. I love mine. Love, love, love it. I use it all the time. Then you have some crystal drops, and this is in, let's see if I can read what color this is in. This is in the aqua. So you've got crystal drops. Then you have some Eyelet outlet jewels, and these are in black. Remember, I told you it's kind of hard for me to find black. Well, I found some black. Thank goodness. I got all that they had. And there's 3 different colors, looks like. Yeah, 3 different colors. There are 3 different sizes in here. So that'll be exciting. You get that. Then you get a whole pack of the pop-up dots. These are the 3-dimensional effect. So these are the glue dots, pop dots, whatever you want to call them. They have just a little bit of dimension to them, as you can see on there. So this is a whole roll. Let's see if it shows how much. They're permanent. 75 dots on a roll, so that's going to last you a while. So you get that. Then you're going to get some different colors cardstock. These are going to match perfectly with your kit. So you get that. Let's see if I can lay this down where we can see everything. Then you will get, I believe it's 4 sheets. Yeah, 4 sheets of watercolor paper. And this is a pretty good watercolor paper. It's not the top of the line, but it's good to practice on, and it's good to stamp flowers and things on and do some watercoloring. And I think these are 8 by 10 sheets, I want to say. So you get 4 of those. And you're wondering why you get watercolor paper, right? Well, you're going to get some watercolors. Now, this is not the top of the line watercolors. These are student grade. But for those of us who don't do a lot of watercoloring and you want to learn, this is a good start right here. This has got your basic colors, primary colors in here. And they're not the lowest that you can get, but they're a pretty good grades. They're good enough to color with. I started off with these, and I'm still using them. I still pull these out from time to time. It's got a brush in here. It's got black, violet, red, blue, yellow, orange, green, and brown. So you'll see that this is these watercolors is gonna go with your color palette that we've got going on here. Now, anybody that is a seasoned watercolorist, this may seem a little bit simplicity, but there's a lot of members out there who have requested some different mediums to practice with and to play with and to try, so that's what we're going to do. So each month we're going to include a new little product in there so that you can play with, see if you like it. If you like it, then you can go on and buy a more expensive set of watercolors. But this is good enough to start off with. Like it says, it does the job. Then your paper is going to be from Cartabella, and this is Our House, and you can see the colors all go together. And let me open this so that I can show you. These colors are really pretty. This is not a brand new collection, but it's one that I have not put in your kits before, and I thought it would be a good time of the year to put this in there. Look at those mushrooms. Isn't that pretty? So you can see the colors match really well with your cardstock. And I love all those houses on there. Look at that. That's your little stand-up mixer and all that kind of stuff. Then you've got butterflies. Then you have floral arrangements. So it's a little bit of everything in here for everybody. Isn't that pretty? Then you have some smaller scales on here. That's really good for cards. and then it starts all over. So you've got, let's see, 24 double-sided papers, and these are 65 pounds, so that's a pretty good paper right there. Cartabella has a good paper. And then you get a whole sheet of the element stickers. Now, when you get this sheet, depending on what kind of box we have to put these in, some of them we're gonna have boxes large enough, but some of our boxes are going to be a little smaller, so we may have to cut your sheet. And what we'll do is we'll cut right around all your images, so nothing's going to be wasted, nothing's going to be cut in two. We will cut around it so that we can get this whole sheet in your box. So if you get it and you've got two pieces, don't be concerned. We're just going to trim around these so that we can get it all in the box for you. So that is what you get in the February kit. I think it's a lot of good product there. So you've got some new things to try, new things to work with. You've got some stash builders. This will last you forever. This will last you forever. These will last a long time. This will last a long time. So you've got a lot of stash builders too in here. So now let me tell you, if you want one of these kits and you're not in the e-kit club, we have, I think, 8 or 10 left that you can do a one-time purchase on. If you want to join the kit club, you have until tomorrow to join to get this kit. After tomorrow, all of the people who join after tomorrow will start off with the March kit. I'm going to have to start cutting it off at a certain date because it's getting a little bit crazy with our payments going through and all that. So after tomorrow, the 7th, if you want to join the e-club kit, you will get the March kit. If you join from now, when you see this video, up until tomorrow, you'll start off with this kit. So just keep that in mind. But you can purchase this kit. I have it in the link below for a one-time purchase. You don't have to join the e-club kit. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like these kits, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you'll know when we put up new videos. We will be back tomorrow with the finish up on our vertical mini album. And then we have 2 tutorials on the Cricut design space that we'll be doing tomorrow too. We're going to go over contour, uploading files, uploading fonts. Seems like there was one other thing. But anyway, we're going to be going over all of that tomorrow. A lot of you had asked about uploading. And so we will be going over that tomorrow. Oh, I know what the other one was attaching and welding. We'll be going over those tomorrow too. So if you want to get in on the Cricut classes, then just make sure that you subscribe and click that bell so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos, and then you won't miss any of the classes. All right, we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.